How to add photo over a video on CapCut. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and import the video. After you've imported the video, you'll find overlay at the bottom. Click on overlay, then click on add overlay. You'll find your gallery pop up. Simply select the photo you want to add. You can drag the photo from where you want to start. You can also resize it by zooming in or zooming out. If you want to add another picture, you can again click on add overlay and add another picture. You can also drag the size and where the photo should end. And this is how to add photo over a video in CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. About question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.